Unfortunately, I've decided to part ways with the Black Diamond and the Umuti brand, wishing them nothing but the best to new horizons. Danya ongasikwatisi. Danya ongasikwatisi wena nondu. Black Diamond Umuti ngicela ningasikwatisi. Lento I hope iprank lento. I hope iprank since namhlanje vele bathini April's Fool what ntontoni. I hope nale April Fool ntontoni cause ungasikwatisi mfethu angeke nisenze kanje. Guys, come on. Yabo nomunye ucommentile la kule post yakho wathi he might be telling the truth. You'd find that he's using April's Fool to notice us because damn. Uthi he might be telling the truth. You'd find that he's using April's Fool to notice us because he knows we won't believe. One day we will realize that he said so. I'm not sure, I'm just saying. Makati notice uzama uthi notify us, but I'm sure it's here, understand. Kodwa what if iqiniso vele kodwa uzama wenza ngathi uyajoka engathi vele yilento yama April's Fool kanti vele ngempela uhlukene neBlack Diamond akasasebenzi nonto because vele siyabona man even when they together manje hayi man ngathi akusahlangani man ama performances wabo man ngathi ikhona vele into ekho angazi maybe ukuthi vele manje sebanokusebenza separately angazi maybe leyo nto kodwa nje ngayenze ukuthi uthola ukuthi iqiniso leli mfana kodwa isha ngeke ngiphathe kahle if vele iqiniso vele ukuthi lamajita bahlukana kanjena bangayenzi lento enye inkinga ukuthi if vele kuyiqiniso ama signs sizothi siwabonile if vele kuyiqiniso lento ama signs sizothi siwabonile sonke because kunini vele bangasahambi ndawonye labantu kunini vele bangasasebenzi as closely as they used to back in the day kodwa yo lamajita come on guys, why lento and why am I touched by this why lento ingithasha kanje mfethu why ngifila ngathi why ngithasha kanje lento Jensen ngayenzi lento Black Diamond mfethu you guys should just continue working together. Lento yenu ukuthi hey now to a new journey, to a new horizons ntonton asiyithathe leyo guys. Whatever you guys are going through asazi nokuthi yini if ikhona naleyo nto nigoisha through yona. Kodwa I'm sure you can fix it and find a solution, you know. Besides lento ukuthi nihlukane. Lento ukuthi nihlukane yona no and i-risk lento niyenzayo gents i-risk because kuzoyenzakalani manje if niyahlukana and then as ama-fans thina sesinijwayele as a duo sinijwayele nihamba noyi-two i-risk kabi lento ukuthi nizozi-introduce kwi-industry as a duo and then manje nifuna ukuyenza izinto zenu separately. Niyakhumbula amarodo ukuthi kwenzakaleni besibathanda ndawonye bathe bahlukana ama-career wawo waphela kanjalo. So please guys, don't do the same mistake ayayenza abanye abantu. Please continue working together, continue being the brothers that we know, you know. Please continue being that. Siyanicela Danya Ndu Umuti the brand cala nje ukuthi niyeke lento yeni le siyanicela gents, please come on now.